Energy efficiency is more than just a buzzword. It's a practical way for Talladega homeowners to save money, reduce energy waste, and create a more comfortable living environment. While many people focus on windows, insulation, or HVAC systems, one often overlooked factor is the door installation process. The right door, properly installed, can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and monthly utility costs. The role of doors in home energy efficiency. Doors are a gateway between your home's interior and the outside world. If they are poorly installed or made with inefficient materials, they can leak air, allow drafts, and make it harder for your heating or cooling system to maintain a consistent temperature. In Talladega, where summers can be hot and winters chilly, this inefficiency quickly translates into higher energy bills. A correctly installed door does more than open and close. It creates a tight seal that prevents conditioned air from escaping. This reduces the workload on your HVAC system, helping it last longer while lowering your overall energy consumption. Benefits of professional door installation: precision fit for maximum insulation. A door that is even slightly misaligned can create gaps that let air flow freely in and out. Professional installers ensure your door fits perfectly within the frame, preventing leaks and maintaining insulation. This precise fit is essential for homes in Talladega, where fluctuating seasonal temperatures constrain older or poorly sealed entryways. High-quality weatherstripping. Weatherstripping is one of the most important components of energy-efficient door installation. It lines the edges of the door to stop drafts, moisture, and even pests from entering your home. When installed correctly, weatherstripping creates a protective barrier that enhances the overall insulation of your home. Energy-efficient materials. Many modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Fiberglass, insulated steel, and solid wood doors often include foam cores or thermal breaks that resist heat transfer. Combined with expert installation, these materials help Talladega homeowners stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter without overusing their HVAC systems. Proper sealing and caulking. In addition to fitting the door itself, professional installation involves sealing and caulking the frame to eliminate hidden gaps. This final step ensures long-lasting efficiency and keeps your home's envelope tight against outside elements. Cost savings and long-term value. Energy efficiency directly impacts your monthly bills. The Department of Energy estimates that doors and windows account for up to 30% of residential energy loss. By investing in a properly installed, energy-efficient door, Talladega homeowners can see significant reductions in heating and cooling expenses. Over time, the cost of professional installation pays for itself through lower utility bills and increased comfort. Moreover, energy-efficient upgrades can increase your home's value. If you ever decide to sell, prospective buyers will appreciate knowing that your home includes features designed to save them money and reduce environmental impact. Comfort beyond cost savings. While saving money is a big benefit, the comfort factor is just as important. Proper door installation eliminates cold drafts in the winter and hot spots in the summer. Families in Talladega can enjoy consistent indoor temperatures, quieter interiors, and better overall air quality thanks to reduced outdoor infiltration. Choosing the right door installer in Talladega. The effectiveness of an energy-efficient door depends heavily on the quality of installation. That's why it's important to choose a trusted, local installer with experience in Talladega's climate and housing styles. Look for professionals who offer a wide selection of energy-efficient doors, proven installation expertise with references, warranties on both products and labor. This ensures your investment provides maximum benefits for years to come. Final thoughts: improving your home's energy efficiency doesn't always require a major renovation. Sometimes, the right door installation is all it takes to make a significant difference. For Talladega homeowners, investing in a well-installed, energy-efficient door means lower utility costs, greater comfort, and long-term value. By sealing the entry points of your home and choosing modern materials, you're not just saving money, you're also creating a more sustainable and comfortable living environment for your family.